Our daily activities like texting, typing, driving, and poor posture can often result in tightness and restriction in our chest muscles, which can cause discomfort and dysfunction in our upper body. Here are some simple and effective techniques to release tension and improve your range of motion. To start, warm up your muscles with a few minutes of cardio or stretches to prepare your body for massage. You can use KOAPRO Massage Tools on bare skin with oil or over form-fitting clothing. Always begin with light pressure and ease in. You can use back and forth massage strokes in different directions and angles. If an area feels sensitive or tense, reduce the pressure and focus on relaxing the surrounding areas. For deep tissue trigger point release, you can use the KOAPRO end thumbs. Gently press the thumb into and around the target area to decompress and restore the myofascial tissue. This works wonders on the upper chest, near the shoulder joint. To enhance tension release, try rotating your shoulders, stretching your arms, and varying your posture and angles during the massage. Breathe deeply and allow your body and mind to relax and release tension. You are in control of the pressure and duration of the massage. We recommend 1 to 3 minutes per area a few times a week for best results. Consistent use of the KOAPRO Massage Tools will lead to less tension, improved range of motion, and better performance and recovery. Continue to use the KOAPRO Massage Tools anytime you feel discomfort or want to enhance your performance and well-being. Be sure to check out our other KOAPRO tutorials for more techniques on other muscle groups. We hope you enjoy your KOAPRO massage.